Rolling in dough, unraveling the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fun and interesting phrase, rolling in the dough. Whether you've heard it in a song, read it in a book, or stumbled upon it in a conversation, this video will clarify what it means and how you can use it in your daily English communication. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. First off, what does rolling in the dough actually mean? This phrase is a colorful way to say that someone is very wealthy or has a lot of money. It's important to note that it's usually used in a light-hearted or humorous context. The imagery here is quite vivid. Picture someone literally rolling around in a pile of money. This expression emphasizes not just wealth, but an abundance of it. Ever wondered where such a quirky phrase comes from? Rolling in the dough is believed to have its roots in early 20th century American slang. The term dough has been used as slang for money for many years, possibly drawing a parallel between the malleability of dough used in baking and the ease with which money can be handled or spent. Understanding its origins can help you appreciate the phrase's playful nature. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, how do we use rolling in the dough in a sentence? It's quite simple. For instance, you might say, after his app went viral, he's been rolling in the dough, or they won the lottery last year and have been rolling in the dough ever since. The phrase can be used to describe individuals, businesses, or even fictional characters who have recently come into a significant amount of money. While rolling in the dough is a playful and informal phrase, it's good to understand the cultural context in which it's appropriate to use it. It's perfect for casual conversations, creative writing, or humorous commentary. However, it might not be suitable for very formal contexts or professional settings. Being mindful of the setting and the audience is key when incorporating such phrases into your English. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, rolling in the dough. We hope you found this video informative and entertaining, and that it adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the colorful expressions that give it character. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be fluent in the rich language of English idioms and phrases.